the idea of this financial management series was to create hunger and eagerness for people, because without inquisitiveness, because without your efforts nothing can help, nothing can work. अगर मैं यहाँ पर बैठा हूँ, I am learning with sir, but if I am not executing it, there is no point. I am the worst student जिसको एक मौका मिला आपके साथ बैठने का, still he has not utilized this effort, and sir is having a smoke on his face. यार ये बेइज्जती कराएगा मेरी. नहीं नहीं सर, मैं सुधर जाऊंगा, आई प्रॉमिस यू दैट. नाउ सर द थिंग इज कि सी, अब सपोज सर इन्वेस्टमेंट इज अ बिग 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 प्लेटफॉर्म, बिग थिंग, देयर इज सो मच टू लर्न आउट फ्रॉम दिस वीडियोस. में भी हम लोग सिर्फ एक ओशन के अंदर एक बूंद पानी डाल के इंक्विजिटिवनेस क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. सो नाउ सर, आई नो यू आर नॉट अ यूट्यूब फैन, बिग यूट्यूब फैन, बट स्टिल फ्रॉम वेयर डू यू लर्न, और यू वुड ask people to go and read new stuffs, how much to read, and from where to read? I would say, sir, again I'll reframe it once again, from where to read so that they can learn more. How much to read?
You see, I have been running these social media groups for quite a few years now. We moved from normal email to WhatsApp to Telegram, and there are people who come and they ask about books. But most of these books are written, they are good for inspiring, but most of these books are from the Western point of view. They are normally from the Western point of view, and they are of limited use to us. Like I mentioned in the last video, the best resource in India to know about mutual fund industry and generally investing philosophy is valueresearchonline.com.
Valueresearchonline.com.
They have a learning center. They have their own videos of about 10 to 20 minutes duration, which comes out, in which Dhirendra Kumar answers the questions. And I consider him also my guru, in the sense that he has taught, just like Mr. A.N. Shanbag, how to be steady. So in this, you will find a lot of links. In the learning center, you will find a lot of other aspects. Apart from this, if you are interested in watching YouTube when you come back on leave, because on board the bandwidth is limited and the data is limited, then you should watch the videos of the fund managers. That is like ICICI fund manager S. Narain, or HDFC just now who retired, Mr. Left HDFC, Mr. Prashant Jain. So these are some good fund managers who have a good philosophy. They give good advice. So how much to know? Basically, if you are into mutual funds, you don't need to know much. Once you have selected your funds with the help of this fund selector, there are tools in this Value Research Online. About 14 tools are there. One tool is how to select funds. So this will help you to select your funds, to come to a conclusion. This is good, this is not good. Anybody can do in about 2 hours. That's all. After you have done this, after you have started investing, you will start tracking also, because it is not easy to live with that habit. So after that, it will be important for you to compare. So you should see your fund, what is the portfolio, then what is the portfolio of a peer fund, what is value investing, what is growth, what is the NAV. So all these different small parameters of mutual funds you will learn from this website itself. Let me tell everybody in this video that there are terminologies which are connected with equity investing, that means stock investing. But there are some ratios which are only specific to mutual fund investing, and like Sharpe ratio, like RR. For Sharpe ratio, the gentleman even got a Nobel Prize. Now these ratios are applicable to mutual funds only, not to stocks. So a lot of researches have been done. In India, mutual fund is recent occurrence, maybe 25, 26 years. But abroad, it has been happening for years. So a lot of research has already been done. It is a platform ready for everybody. In my personal opinion, for a mariner to start investing in stocks is like reinventing the wheel. The wheel is there. Fit it on your cart, on your life cart, and keep moving.
जय माता दी. म्यूचुअल फंड में लगाओ, अपने आप काम करेगा.
अपने आप चलेगा. So all information that you will need, you will find on Value Research. They also portray, they also do a lot of books on this, which they think are good. They display. If you are interested, you can start reading it. But in my personal view, till a large time, till you become a master, you should preferably read the books of your profession. concentrate on your profession. These people are there to take care of your money. If you are happy with them in the first year, second year, the habit will become, and then you will not be able to stop. This is a special advice for the people who will start fresh, that if in the first year you find that your portfolio has dropped, please don't be discouraged. Give it one more year. If you find second year also it has not done well, please give it one more year. But you should follow the rules which we said. Invest in small steps. Do not invest at one go. Right? Well, you have money. If your asset allocation has fallen from 75%, you can put. But it is not that you have 2 lakhs and you put 2 lakhs and now you wait. The market can go down. So never be discouraged. This is a well-tested turf. A lot of people have benefited. No, apart from me, a lot of
Yes, sir,
people,
definitely.
not non-mariners also. A lot of people in their 80s I know who are living their life on the basis of these mutual funds. They have a regular flow of income and it is happening. So this is all about resources, and as you will start learning, you will yourself find more and more resources and you will be able to tell me that these resources exist. But one does not have to waste too much time on this. Concentrate on doing rather than theorizing. We are mariners. We do with our hands. Doesn't matter whether we work on the deck or we work in the engine room. We work with our hands, with the theory which has already been put here. If we just had the theory, you couldn't work. If you didn't have the theory, also you couldn't work. So the main thing is to execute your plan in time, as early as possible, as soon as possible.
Guys, what a learning, and आप लोगों ने, I guess this is a complete system. We create eagerness in you, and we also give you a platform where you can learn as much as possible and grow. I just want to add my 2 cents, even 1 cent to it, and that is, see, you need to be passionate about a few things so that you grow out there. If finance, say for me, finance has never been my forte, and I'm not passionate towards it. I have got a fund manager who will be looking into it, asset allocation done, kahani khatam. Now, once I have retired, now I can look into something which I am passionate about, and maybe I can do wonders out there and can grow over there. But this is again a very important aspect and needs to be taken care of, including me. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.